You have something beautiful to go behind this poem with, is it?
Something beautiful and unintrusive and like nice sounding for the back of a lovely poem. Okay, let me see what I got. Let me see what I've got. Oh no! Sorry, Joe. Sorry, Joe. I pressed the wrong button there. Oh, there we go. What about that?
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, isn't that beautiful?
Can I get
Thank you to the band. We have the band over here on the side there.
This is the talent.
Thank you.
We have been big special. We have been big special. Who are we? Thank you so much.
We were supposed to be young, half cut and completely severed. I left my days outside for the birds. Everyone is searching beyond meaning, but not listening beyond words. We were supposed to be young. Now the old roads are paved with graves. The birds flew off with my days. Everyone is building without purpose, and I'm here smoking on a fat lip with a cold toe, counting strays. We were supposed to be young, fresh-faced and completely rotten. I left my days outside for the birds. We were supposed to be bold, but not bold beyond words. We were supposed to be free, but not free beyond words. We were supposed to be young, then leave our days outside for the birds. Chalk it up to hopeful youth and never dream beyond words. Look, love, look how far we've come. Wash me down with the things we've done. I know I'll never be clean. For once I'll take my moon blue, paint us with the things we'll do, and take us through what we've never seen.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have big, big special. Thank you very fucking much. Get home safe. Bring somebody up, come on. Let's have a little dance.
The moon is a thumbprint on a dirty window. The disciples line up outside the bingo, under a neon sign that says hope, that flashes pink and indigo. Coming to collect a Cheerio. You're not quite a motherfucker, but you're a mother love maker. And we're not impressed by your boat shoes or your high-vis whip breaker. You can shave your own throat. I'm saving my skin. I don't know what costume drama you think you're starting in. I can see right through your cocktail shaker. Move along and don't tell your friends. I'm losing to my means by no ends. No story here, closed eyes and no fear. Swan diving into the void for a 10 bag and a half-inch bread baker. I'm just trying to get us to the sea. We planned a holiday years ago. I don't know if we'll last another summer indoors. We've been through a lot, you know. We haven't seen anything together. We hope we're not here forever. We hope to leave before we're old. The days are getting shorter and the nights are always cold. And the wind whistles bad news through the flapping of the flagpoles. Every day's a balancing act. Tired of living on the branch, trying to find truth under 5 facts. Not only born to pay bills and dig holes. That's the way it is, I'm told. I hope to leave before we're old. The days are getting shorter when I can't be alone, let alone be bold. All the eyes are on me and their voices scatter like brooches. They wear their ignorance as brooches with long and heartless sleeves. I've had enough, we gotta go. I won't be killed on screen in the snow. I wanna do something before we're below. Standing on the overpass, this is where we bellow. And breathe smoke till it hangs like a painted cloud over England. Even though we've nothing to do, we've nothing to show. Just got to go. Just got to go. Dig on down. ground, dig, son, dig the ground. You're gonna be this motherfucking town, and everyone that puts you down, pretend spite will do you right if you can make it through the night. So dig on till you come out of the sky like round. Dig, son, dig the ground. You're gonna bury this motherfucking town, and everyone that puts you down, without spite, will do you right. You can make it through the night, so please belong down.
That's right.